Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a photo collage on your WhatsApp status or WhatsApp story. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my WhatsApp application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create a WhatsApp status. So here I'm going to click on updates menu, and I'm going to click on add status. Okay, and then we're going to click on this layout menu. If we want to create photo collage, we can click on layout, and then you can choose some photos you want to create collage. Okay, and for example, I'm just going to choose this one and also this one. And wait, let me add more photos. I'm going to add this one as well. Okay, then I'm going to click on this check mark. Okay, and this is for the collage. You can choose the frame here, and I'm going to select for example this frame. Okay, and then you can adjust the photo using your using both of your fingers, using two fingers. Okay, and then once you're done, you can click on this done menu. All right, and before you upload it to your WhatsApp status, you can add music or add sticker or text. It's up to you. Okay, and then I'm going to show you guys another way to create a photo collage. Okay, if you want to create a photo collage with custom position, you can just do this step. Wait, I'm going to add my first photo, and you're going to click on the sticker and select photo here. Okay, then you can add your second photo, and then you can tap on that to change the frame. Okay, you can select the frame here. I'm going to choose this heart. Okay, and then click on done, and I'm going to place it here. Okay, you can zoom in or zoom out, and then you can add another photo by clicking on the sticker menu and select photo, and I'm going to add this one, and I'm going to change the frame. I'm going to make it a circle. Click on done, and I'm just going to place it here. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create photo collage on WhatsApp. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.